Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove Yahoo, the default search engine on the Microsoft Edge web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the Edge browser, and then bago tayo mag-proceed ay ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating default search engine. Okay, so dito sa searching address bar ay kailangan mo lang mag-type and search. And makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan na yung ating default search engine ay Yahoo. Kung paano ba natin ito i-revoke or i-change. So ang next step ay dito lang sa top right corner makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy, search and services. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then select lang natin dito yung services. Ito siya. So kapag nakita mo tong services and then scroll down ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung address bar and search. So manage search suggestions and search engine used in the address bar. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy, search and services, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung search engine used in the address bar. Kung paano ba natin ito i-change. So dito lang sa right side niya, makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan. So click mo lang yan. And then pwede mo na itong i-change ng Bing, Google, or DuckDuckGo. So sinik ka lang dito. So sinik lang natin itong Google. And then ang gagawin natin ay close lang natin itong Microsoft Edge browser. And then kailangan natin mag-refresh. And then back tayo dito. Open lang natin tong Edge browser. And then dito lang sa searching address bar, kailangan mo na mag-type and search. Ayan. So makikita mo na dito na na-change na kagad yung ating default search engines into Google. Alright. So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to remove Yahoo default search engine from Microsoft Edge. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.